Top 8 cheapest vintage cars. Number 1, Ford Fairmont. 1978 year of issue. 1978 Ford Fairmont station wagon. It's been sitting a long time and does not run, but will turn over slowly by hand. Straight 6 and automatic in otherwise unknown condition. Rust in floors as pictured would be a very cool sleeper with a 5.0 Coyote or LS swap. If you like our videos, subscribe, you'll help us a lot. Number 2, Cadillac Sedan DeVille. 1960 year of issue. 1960 Cadillac Sedan DeVille hardtop. 390 CI, power seat, power windows, Autronic eye. 390 has not run in many years. Starter only clicks and have not attempted to diagnose. Lights and windows, etc. do work. Almost complete. Missing driver's skirt. Driver's rear door trim. Air cleaner and glove box liner. Rust issues in rockers. Small patches will be needed in other areas on body. Bumper pods also have holes. Number 3, International Harvester pickup. 1971 year of issue. 1971 International Harvester 12-104X4 manual pickup with unique custom utility body and cap direct from Mooresville Body Works. All original paperwork, line setting ticket and journal. Handwritten journal of everything done to the vehicle to include parts numbers, shop information, mileage, oil changes, hand-drawn schematic for a secondary alarm system, T44 transmission, (13-gal auxiliary gas tank), deluxe exterior package, original wheels and tires to go with, V392 V8 gas engine, front axle engaged warning light. Number 4, Morris Minor. 1959 year of issue. I have 2 Morris Minors for sale. A 1959 that is running, just needs the rear brakes finished. And a rear end seal installed. I have the parts. Also a complete 1960 parts car that the floors are rotted out of, new tires on both cars. Number 5, Buick Skylark. 1968 year of issue. '68 Buick Skylark convertible. Has a good running 455 under the hood. Not hooked up, not drivable. Has some lower rear quarter rust out that needs patches. Fair floors, but will need a few smaller patches. Trunk floor will need some patches. Excellent project convertible. $4,500. Number 6, MG MGB, 1978 year of issue. The car has always been a California car and is pretty sweet. Has no body rust, is mechanically correct, and has had a respray of the original English maroon. The body is in great shape, the paint is decent for an older respray and requires a nice wax every so often. But when stored in the garage, the paint stays nice. The top is fairly new, ad is in good shape. Fits nice and tight when up. And collapses nicely when in the down position. The interior is tired and in need of new vinyl or leather upholstery. But the interior is all MG and original to MGB. Gauges work as they should. Number 7, Datsun B210. (1975) year of issue. This is a good project car that is very restorable with minimal rust. The vehicle runs and drives. It has a 5-speed manual transmission. The original paint is in decent shape. The carpet was replaced and new front seats installed. The dashboard and rear seat need work. Two new tires, a battery, fuel pump, starter, and antenna were installed. The radio, right front running light, and turn signal are not functioning. Number 8, American La France Century, 1941 year of issue. The body is in great shape and the truck runs and drives nicely. It is in original condition with minimal rust. At some point, the pump was removed and the top of the water tank was cut off. Needs to have the charging system repaired. The radiator has a small pinhole leak that needs to be sealed. The engine could use a fresh set of gaskets. It will need new tires, and I would look at the braking to make sure it is all good. The gauges may need rebuilding or the terminals cleaned. If you're interested in more vintage cars for sale, be sure to subscribe to the channel. You'll be helping us out a lot.